Welcome to our video on Tome AI, the revolutionary tool designed to help you create personalized presentations effortlessly. Let's explore the key features that make Tome AI stand out from the crowd. The user experience is intuitive, making it easy for anyone to start creating stunning presentations. Customization options allow you to tailor each presentation to your audience effortlessly. With AI-powered design assistance, enhancing visuals has never been easier. Tome AI is built for collaboration, allowing teams to work together seamlessly, no matter where they are. Here are some real-world examples of how Tome AI is used to create personalized presentations. So, how does Tome AI compare to other presentation tools? Let's find out what sets it apart. The role of AI in shaping presentation design is undeniable, and it's only just beginning. In summary, Tome AI offers unparalleled benefits for creating personalized presentations. Try it out today.